How to get your new email subscribers to trust you fast. Getting your email subscribers to trust you is crucial. You want to get to a point where your subscribers are keen to find out more about what you are doing and the products and services that you are promoting via email that can help them. When you are at this point, your email subscribers will want you to keep them informed about the latest developments in your niche. Remember that they are interested in the niche that you operate in. If they weren't, then they would not have joined your list in the first place. To build an email list from scratch that is going to benefit you and your subscribers, there has to be mutual trust. It is certainly possible for you to gain the trust of your subscribers fast if you follow the principles below. Building your email list fast will help to spread the word about your business, which in turn results in even more email subscribers. It is not difficult to get your email subscribers to trust you. A lot of new email marketers think that it will be very difficult to get their subscribers to trust them. Also, they believe that this will take a very long time. If you are using your email list to inform subscribers about your legitimate business, then this does not have to be the case. You need to change your mindset to thinking that you can gain subscriber trust fast. The best way to gain the trust of your subscribers is to demonstrate your expertise in your niche. Bear in mind that people rely on other people for the information that they need every day. So you need to provide information to your email subscribers which tells them that if they want to know the latest in your niche, you are the person to provide this information to them. Prove that you are an authority in your niche. People like to refer to experts for the answers that they need. It is essential that you make a good start with your email subscribers and demonstrate that you are a real authority. Provide value right from the start. Give them helpful tips and guidance on how they can succeed in your niche. If you are in the make money online niche, for example, tell them the best ways to earn an online income. Let them know how to get set up in the best way and what tools they should be using to give them the maximum chance of success. A niche like Make Money Online is always changing. Inform your email subscribers of the latest developments, such as Google algorithm changes and changes to social media advertising policies, for example. In addition to this, let your subscribers know about the latest products and services that they can take advantage of to help them make more money online. By demonstrating that you are an expert in your niche right from the start, you will quickly secure the trust of your email subscribers. Be honest with your subscribers. Unfortunately, there are a lot of email marketers who will just try and promote anything to make a quick buck. A lot of people are aware of this, which is why they are so reluctant to join email lists these days. Nobody likes to be sold to all of the time, and they certainly don't want to receive promotional emails for inferior products and services. There are inferior products and services in most niches. They promise the world and deliver very little. If you promote these kinds of offers and your subscribers have a bad experience, then any trust you have developed will be severely tested. The opposite is also true, of course. If you recommend high-quality products and services to your subscribers, then this will help to increase the trust between you. Word will soon spread that your recommendations resulted in a positive experience from your subscribers, which is exactly what you want. Provide your subscribers with an escape hatch. This is an interesting technique that works really well. Right from the very first email that you send to your subscribers, you need to make it clear that you are not trying to trap them in any way. Make a point of telling your subscribers that they can unsubscribe for your email list at any time if they are not satisfied. You may think that this will result in a lot of subscribers leaving your list, but it won't. What you are saying here is that you stand by all of the messages that you send to them. Let them know that they have the choice to leave at any time. Some subscribers may think that they are stuck with you for life. By explaining that this is not the case, they will feel a lot more comfortable. Don't resort to underhanded tricks to stop your subscribers from leaving your list. Accept that some of your subscribers unsubscribing from time to time is part of the game. If a subscriber tries to unsubscribe and cannot do this, then your reputation will take a nosedive. In the next video, we will discuss how to create email content to engage your subscribers.